Hello everyone, I'm Experience. I'm here to build your experience with my experience. So today I'm here with a wonderful story of mine. I would like you to take you back to 2019. It was May month, this much hot as it is now. So I was there in my sister's home when she told me about Colonel R.M. Singh. At that time I was preparing for SSB. So, without giving a second thought, I gave a call to Colonel R.M. Singh. Hello, sir. I'm Anubhav Rana, brother of Mansi Rana. He told, yeah, Anubhav, I remember Mansi. She was my student. She was a wonderful cadet, NCC cadet. She was the camp senior. He got reminded of all those incidents. He told me, yes, Anubhav, tell, how did you call me today? I told him, sir, I have got my SSB interview, so I need your guidance for that. Without a second question, he told me, okay, Anubhav, tell me about yourself. He started interview in the call itself. I was very happy the way I was giving responses. So do he was. I told him, sir, that I have got these many marks in my 12th standard. I was the school topper, I was the tuition topper. He was very happy to listen to all of this. And he told that, Anubhav, I can see that you have it in you. Only thing you need is a little more confidence and a little more hard work. You will easily make it. I can make it with the conversation we have spoken till now. I was very happy. I felt from inside I have got the right person. Now no one can stop me from becoming an officer. I started preparing under his guidance. He used to give me a few tasks that I always obeyed and I always fulfilled. After a few days, I had to go to Bangalore to get my engineering admissions done. I told him about that as well. Then he told me that, Anubhav, you are coming to Bangalore. On the way back, you can come to my place and stay here at Jhansi. Without giving a second thought, I said, yes, sir, I will surely come. He told me that, Anubhav, I will be able to guide you better, because here in phone calls, I'm not able to share the experiences that I have got. I have made 25 officers till now. So whatever things I have told them, I will tell you that as well. So it will be easy for you to become an officer. Then I told, sir, I have never gone outside alone. My parents won't allow me. Then he shouted at me, Anubhav, I'm not telling you to go somewhere else. Like, we know each other. Your sister also knows me. And I take your responsibility that during those 10 days, you are safe at my hands. Then I said, yes, sir. I spoke to my parents and then I said yes. Then I got my admissions done in Bangalore and I went to Jhansi. Got my admissions done in Bangalore and then I went to Jhansi along with my Jiju. I reached the station called night at 2 o'clock in night. Already the numbers of the people who were there to catch me was in my hand. Even they had my number. They were Naik Kalai and Soldier Altaf. I got down from the station. I saw two people wearing uniforms, army uniforms, waiting for me. I went directly to them and I asked them, if you are so and so person. They told yes, and I started my journey. I was very happy at that moment. In that army gypsy I sat for the first time. Two soldiers were marching ahead me and I was coming in back of them. I was really feeling very fortunate, thanks to Colonel R.N. Sir. So we reached at the canton. We entered the Colonel Sir's battalion at about 3 o'clock at night. They were both Colonel Sir and his mother waiting for me to reach. They served me with kheer that I love. I just love sweet dishes. So they showed me the entire home and he showed my room as well, and he asked me if anything I require, then I can just ping him, he will get me that thing. So I got up next day early morning at 6 o'clock. I got up. I was thinking that sir might ask me to go for running, like he will also join me, but he didn't do that. Even then I slept again. Then I got up at 700 hours in the morning. I did my normal routine. I went to him. I wished him good morning. The first look at me, he said, Anubhav, if you will go like this for the SSB interview, you will be rejected. I didn't know anything. I asked sir, why is it so? Sir told Anubhav, ये जो अपनी दाढ़ी मुझ बढ़ा कर रखी है ना, इसको कटवा लो पहले. I said, sir, okay sir, whatever you will tell, I will do that. I have no objection with it. Here I had come for that admission purpose, so I didn't know that you will observe this thing as well. So he told me, okay, nothing to worry. You can go now itself with Altaf and get it done. So I went with him to the barber. I got clean shave first time entirely in my life, and I was feeling very happy. I was really feeling very happy seeing the new avatar of mine. He was also very happy seeing me like that. He praised me, telling Anubhav, you are already looking a gentleman cadet. I was very happy. Then I went to his place, his office place. I really loved the place he was assigned the office at. Then he took me to the library. He got some books issued for me and asked me to start preparing in his compartment. Then I went back to my place, started preparing. He came back from his office during the lunchtime and asked me, Anubhav, how much have you prepared? I told sir, I have done this X, Y, and Z thing. He said, okay, no issues. I will ask you in the evening. Keep preparing. Then the similar way I was preparing. In the evening, he came to me. I thought he will ask me those questions. He told, Anubhav, do you know swimming? I said, yes sir, little bit I know, because I haven't been exposed. I haven't been exposed to that environment for long, so I don't know much. Then he told me, no worries, Anubhav, I will teach you swimming. I was very happy. Wow, I was going for swimming. So he took me to swimming pool. The way is very important. So he got 2 bicycles. He had his excellent cycle, those gears wali cycle hote hain na. He had that cycle. He brought one for me as well. So we started our journey towards the swimming pool. On the way we were marching, there were few soldiers moving for their works. They were like, Jai Hind sir, Jai Hind sir. And sir was replying very calmly, very patiently. And I really loved it. Jai Hind beta. That day I felt, yeah, I also need to do something like this. Ki people come and salute me, and I will tell in the same modest tone, Jai Hind beta. It's the swimming pool area. There he told about myself to him, that he's my student. He has come to me. So write his name there. He got me shoot the swimwear, and we entered inside the swimming pool. He taught me few basic tricks, few basic techniques of swimming. I am a good learner, and I learned it from the first day itself. So he praised me on that as well. I really found myself very motivating and a very excellent teacher. You know, he had all the qualities that are required in a teacher. He was a great leader. He was a great motivator. He was a great person, like on all the aspects, which I can't even count. There at the swimming pool itself, there was a girl asking, sir, I need to learn that breaststroke. I don't know if I'm wrong or right with the name, but yes, I think it was breaststroke. So he taught her that as well in few minutes. Like he was very, he was very encouraging. He was very excited to help people. So we came back. I learned a lot about swimming as well from him. I didn't know that we have to take a bath before and after entering the swimming pool, right? So I learned a lot of things from him. I came back. We came back from swimming. Then he told Anubhav, take a shower and meet me outside in 10 minutes. I will take your test. I was a little bit scared, but I said, it's okay, I will go out. Then sir made coffee for us. Wow, I just loved it. We had coffee. After that, he asked me to stand in front of them, and whatever you learn today, speak it out. You know, it's a little bit difficult if you haven't practiced things before. Like the way I'm speaking in front of the camera, like it's a little bit difficult. You have to practice, because these things which I'm speaking spontaneously, it takes time to develop this quality, and I have worked very hard. I have practiced a lot. That's why it has come. You can try it later and tell me in the comment section if it is easy or wrong, right? So I I stood up. He asked me to speak out the topics that I had prepared. I was fumbling a little bit, but he was encouraging. He was motivating me to go at that I'm right. His mother was next level lady. I never saw a lady speaking that was fluent English beforehand. You know, she was wonderful. She was a Himachali girl who had done BSc in zoology in her time. Her age would be above 80, I guess. Yeah, it was. Then this continued for several days, morning to evening, preparing topics, 3 to 4 to 5 topics. Then in the evening going for swimming. Then coming back, coming back, having a practice session, having a question answer session with sir. It was really a wonderful week going on. Then one day he took me to the theater. You know, Super 30 movie was going on in the theaters at that time. So he called me to that place. He took me to the cinema hall. There also something very motivating I met a few young officers, the captains, lieutenants that were there, that had come to watch that movie. You know, in those theaters there's a separate place for officers and jawans. There is nothing wrong in this. It's just some privileges given to officers that I saw. I went and sat in the officers' place. It was a really wonderful experience. I just can't tell them out in words. So we saw the Super 30 movie. We had popcorns there, I remember. After that, we came back. You know, sir had a dog also. His name was Brutus. It was a very smart dog, I will say. Like, he used to call sir Papa, and they told ki Anubhav bhaiya ko hi karo. I really used to feel very nice, with personifying the animals. It's not in the nature of everyone who does that, right? So I really loved this thing as well. So my days passed by this way. I really loved the experience. And when on the day I was coming back, we took few selfies. He gave me few gifts for getting good scores in my 12th standard. He praised me for that, and he wished me a very best of luck for my SSP interview. I thanked him for all the stuff he gave to me, for all the guidance, for all the teachings. I hope that whatever I told you, that was all for today. I hope that you loved it. You can always like the video and comment how much you like it. I hope that this is motivating for people who want to join the armed forces. For them who want to join the armed forces as an officer, I will tell you guys, it is a superb job. It's not a job actually, it is a way of life. Like army is a way of life. So you should think twice before joining. But once you join, you are gonna lead the best life ever you would have lived till now. I can tell this because I have stayed with an officer, and I know what is his charter of duties, what kind of experiences he is experiencing, and how you have to be eligible for that, right? So I have stayed with few officers in the phone calls or in my WhatsApp contacts. I have the contacts of few officers, and I know that what it means to be an officer. So anything you want to ask me regarding the SSB interview, that also you can ask me in the comment section. If there are few people, I will always be open to question and answers. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bye.